Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Mark here, and I'm back to do a review and unboxing. If you see that, you already know what it is, and if you see this site, you already know what it is. And if you see pictures, you already know what it is. But what is in this box that I got from the site, from the folks over at FiberGlassMask.com? What did I get? So yeah, folks. Hold on a second. Trying to find something. Ah, there it is. Anyways, so no chit chat, let's slice it up and see what's inside. Like right now. Let's go! So yeah, folks, for the packaging, A+. Fiberglass mask, if you're listening to this, A+ on the packaging. Thumbs up. So yeah, let's dig in and see what's inside. Alrighty, folks, so what was in that box, Holy sea cows. Do I deceive it? No way. So from Fiberglass Mask, they put these on like an evidence bag. You see? Evidence. Very cool. Oh, it is the hockey mask from Friday the 13th, Part 7. The New Blood. That's right, folks. This is what you're looking at. Yeah. Oh, yeah. How about that? Right in front of your face. It's here. Yes. A hockey mask from Friday the 13th, Part 7. The New Blood. Portrayed by Kane Hodder. And all in all, folks, it's amazing. The details. The whole thing. The axe from Part 3. The chevron. That was on part 6. The qualms. And the boat propeller damage. Look at the damage, folks. Tell me something. Anybody seen part 7, let me know in the comments. And any of you young BUCKSs, you got to start with part 1. Go to part 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7 to know what you're getting into. Oh my God. So yeah, just look at that, folks. I got this during the holidays. I got this during, say, the holiday season, like around the last day of 2023, because between January and April of right now, this year, they're going to be closed. Actually, they're not going to be closed until April. They're going to be closed until March. So by that time, by spring, it's going to come back. So among other things, folks, here's the business card from the owner, Bob Frieden, from the folks over at Fiberglass Masks. Got part 5, the average hockey mask, part 6, different sorts of masks. This one here is a Casey Jones mask, part 3 masks, part 8 mask, Freddy vs. Jason damage mask. Wait a minute, are these two right here? This one, Hannibal Lecter, and this is your average hockey mask. So yeah, folks. But I'll leave you the link in the description for the time being, but you're going to have to wait till March or April till the store gets back on business. Well, till the store is open for you to purchase hockey masks. So yeah, folks. I ordered this around the last few days of December, or the last week of December, and then it arrived within a few days, about a week after New Year's. And yeah, well, I haven't had the chance to do it because I'm in a call with life. But anyways, let's get back to the details quick. It's beautifully detailed. Been in the bottom of the water for many years, chained to the bottom of the lake. And really, so everyone thought this was like a crossover, you know, with Jason versus Carrie and or whatchamacallit. So yeah, I rather call this Jason versus Wanda Maximoff, or Jason Voorhees versus Sailor Moon. What do you think, folks? Let me know in the comments. What do you think of that idea? Is it possible that Jason's arch nemesis Tina has a daughter named Wanda Maximoff? It's possible. They look alike, mother and daughter. Look at the details. Being chained underwater for many years gets that appearances of the mask. Look at that, folks. You can't ask for better masks. You can't. And also, what I said way before on Part 5 mask from FiberGlass is that you have to use PayPal. But there's a better way you can go around PayPal. What you have to do is purchase the mask and choose your choice, pay with PayPal or use credit or debit. Word of advice to anybody, use debit or credit to those who don't have PayPal. So yeah, it's much better that way. And afterwards, when you're done using it on your iPhone online, erase. So yeah, that's my advice to you, dudes and dudettes. And yes, I met Kane Hodder on several occasions. Part 7, I dig it. Good makeup effects. Too bad we don't see much of it because of the MPAA butchered that movie. But you can see it on deleted scenes. And what a coincidence. As of today, well, judging from what you're seeing in this video, we're landing on the weekend. But as of January 25th, would have been Ted White, Jason number 4. Jason number 4's 99th birthday. Ted White would have been 99 this year. Wow. So yeah, salute to Ted White. Let's give a salute to Mr. White and happy birthday. I'll get a part 4 mask pretty soon, and a part 6 with the 357 hull that we did see in the film in part 6, and we would later see it in the 2022 Friday the 13th Vengeance 2 Bloodlines, in which, yes, CJ Graham plays Jason Voorhees in the wardrobe. But also, let's take a look at the back. Beautiful. Look at that. Being chained underwater really made this one. This one was once brown, and then look at that. And look at that. It's the owner with his signature. Bob Furden, FGM, FiberGlass masks. What a coincidence, right? Let's give a shout out to Bob Furden. Let's give a shout out to FiberGlass masks. Let's give a shout out to Kane Hodder. And a birthday shout out to Ted White. Rest in peace to Mr. White. But I will get a part 4 mask soon. So yeah, let's just see a couple more viewings before signing off, because this is a very crazy masks. You're definitely going to see more like that. Oh, one more shout out to the review spot. Plus, if you like content like this or any other content, please click the bell on the subscribe button to be notified of all new uploads. Like the videos, have any opinions, comments down below. So y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark. Oh, for signing that off, I'm in the YouTube community. I often post what time I post videos, whether it be the afternoon hours or the early evening hours. So yeah, folks, keep an eye on the YouTube community. I'm often posting what time. So y'all, one more view. This is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you. Enjoy the weekend, y'all, and later.